Good morning. Study material session 34. Types of correlation. What are the types of the correlation? In this, the first one is positive and negative correlation. Second one is simple and multiple correlation. Third one, partial and total correlation. Fourth one, linear and non-linear correlation. Fifth one, logical and illogical correlation. In this session, we shall study about what are the types of the correlation. In the previous session, we have been discussed about what is the meaning of the correlation, what is the definition which has been given by the tutel, and what is the importance of the correlation. Now we shall study about what are the types of correlation are there. The first one is positive and negative correlation. Positive correlation. If both the variables means changing phenomena. Here we have been taken the one example, that is the price and supply. These two variables, if both the variables means here price and supply are moving in the same direction, increasing or decreasing. If the price increases, supply also increases. Price of the commodity has been increasing in the COVID situation. The supply is also increasing in order to cope up the demands. Here the price increases, supply also increases. We are seeing about the both the variables are moving in the same direction. Now it is one good example for the price and supply. Then decreasing. If the price decreases, the suppliers keep in the godowns. They will not supply because they want the more prices. The correlation is said to be positive. Here the two phenomena are price and supply. If the price increases, supply increases. Price decreases, supply also decreases. The relationship between the price and supply is called as the positive correlation. If the two or more, here we have been considered only the two variables, price and supply. In this, if the price increases, supply also increases. That type of the correlation, this type of the correlation is the relationship between the price and supply, is that it is the positive correlation. This type of the relationship establishment, it is called as the positive correlation. Second one, negative correlation. If both the variables are moving in opposite direction, two phenomena, two variables. Variables means changing values. These two are changing in the opposite direction. One is increasing, other is decreasing. One is decreasing, another one is decreasing. For example, if we take the X and Y series, if the X is increasing, Y series is decreasing. If the X is decreasing, Y series is increasing. So that is the changing phenomena are moving in opposite direction. The correlation is said to be negative. That type of the relationship we call it as the negative correlation. Here we have been given one example, that is the price and demand. If the price of the commodity increases, demand also decreases. Automatically the demand for that product decreases. If the price of vegetables has been increasing, we go for the substitution. Next step we shall see if the price of that vegetable has been decreased, at the time we can purchase. So this type of the relationship, we call this one as the price and demand. Price and demand going in the opposite direction. These two variables are moving in opposite direction. That is called as the negative correlation. If both the variables are moving in the same direction, it is called as the positive correlation. whereas negative correlation, if moving in the opposite direction, it is called as the negative correlation. Next one is the simple and multiple correlation. Simple and multiple correlation. In the simple and multiple correlation, second type of the correlation, the first one is the simple correlation. When only two variables are studied, it is called simple correlation. The management says that here you have to consider only the two. It is enough. If the two variables have been considered and you are establishing the relationship between the two variables and finding the correlation coefficient between the two variables, this is called as the simple correlation. Here in that management, only two variables has been studied. If you give the report about these two variables, it is enough for us to take the decision. The management says. For example, here the correlation between the income and consumption. Here to fix the wholesale prices. Here you are finding the relationship between the income and consumption. Income increases, consumption also increases. So here two phenomena has been considered. Only two are there, not more than two. So this type of the correlation is called as the simple correlation. Next, in the simple and multiple correlation, next one is the multiple correlation. When more than two variables, it is not only two, it is more than two. It may be 3, 4, 5 or studied. It is called as multiple correlation. Here, if you consider the only two variables, the decision cannot be taken accurately. At the time, the management says that you have to go for the more than two relationship. Here an example is that correlation between marks in accountancy, marks in statistics, marks in business. Here accountancy marks has to be, you have to compare with the statistics and in the business. So this is called as the multiple correlation. Correlation which has been studied for the two variables, it is called as the simple correlation. Whereas if the variables are more than two variables, that is called as the here multiple correlation. The second type is simple correlation and multiple correlation. Third one, partial and total correlation. Partial correlation when there are more than two variables and the relationship of only two variables are studied, it is called as partial correlation. Partial correlation. When here group of variables are there, not only the two variables are there, but more than two variables are there. It may be 5, it may be 6, or it may be 7. In that situation, in that group, only you will consider the two variables. In the group, if two variables are considered, we will get the relationship and it represents the others also. At the time, we take only the partial, a part of the group. Here only two series has been considered. However, another one is a similar one, but however, only we consider the two. And we establish the relationship, we determine the relationship, we calculate the relationship between the only the A and B series. If A, B, C are three series are there. Here the management says that only you consider the two, that is the AB, and calculate the relationship, that is the correlation coefficient. You calculate only the two, that is the AB series R. R means correlation coefficient. Here you are ignoring the third one, that is the C. Only you are considering the two, that is the A and B. That type of the correlation coefficient is called as the partial correlation. In the partial and total correlation, the second one is the total correlation. When the correlation between all the variables under the study are taken together. If three are there, A, B, C, in the group, three series are there. You are calculating the correlation between the A, B, C, R, not ignoring the C also. For the group, how many are there? Entire group series has been studied, and you are calculating the R, that it is called as the total correlation. You are not ignoring the one phenomenon or a few phenomenons. In the group, how many are there? All the series has been considered, and you are calculating the correlation coefficient, that is called as the total correlation. We are not ignoring any one or few. We are taking the all the series for the consideration. That type of the correlation is called as the total correlation. Next type is linear and non-linear correlation. Linear correlation, if the ratio of change in one variable changes tends to bear constant ratio of changes in another variable, it is called linear equation. What the increasing ratio of the one A series is there, B series is also increasing in the same ratio. That is called as the linear correlation. Here, the A series is increasing in the ratio of the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And the B series is also increasing in the ratio of the 2, 2, 2, 2. So that it is called as the linear correlation. Non-linear correlation. If the amount of changes in one variable do not bear a constant ratio to the amount of changes in the other variable. If the amount of change in one variable, the changes in the one variable will not having any clear barrier for the constant ratio to the amount of change in the other variable. Here the first series is increasing in the particular ratio, A series, and B series is increasing in the another one ratio. It is not constant when we compare with the A series, then it is called as the non-linear correlation. The next type is logical and illogical correlation. Logical correlation, when the correlation between two variables is not only mathematically defined but also logically sound. It is called logical correlation. Here, in many situations, what you have been derived, it is not according to the practical way. Logical means what you have been derived, and in the practical way also the same thing you will get it. That is called as the logical is there. In the practical life also, what the calculations which has been you did, the same can be applicable. It can be applicable. That is called as the logical correlation. Illogical correlation, the correlation between two unrelated variables, which can though be determined mathematically, yet are not based on any logic. It is called as illogical correlation. Illogical correlation, where the correlation between the two variables, unrelated variables, mathematically you can derive, but however, it is not based on any logics. Practical way it should be implemented. Only in the theory you have been calculated, you determined one way, it is not applicable for the practical life. What is the use of deriving that value? So this is the one of the illogical correlation. You are going to find the relationship between the two, but it is not logical means if you calculate also, it is of no use. So that it is called as the illogical correlation. So references Rajesh S. Getta, quantitative methods for business. I think you followed about the what are the types of the correlation. The first one is the positive and negative correlation. Positive and negative correlation. In the positive correlation, moving in the same direction, increasing, the other one also increasing. If one is decreasing, another one is also decreasing. If the price increases, automatically supply also increases. So this is called as the positive correlation. Whereas the negative correlation, if one is going in the one direction, another one is going in the other direction. It is not in the same direction. It is going out opposite direction. Price and demand is the one example for the negative correlation. Simple and multiple correlation. Simple correlation, only two variables have been considered, whereas the multiple correlation, what the here more than two variables are there. We consider the more than two series. Then partial and total correlation. In the partial correlation, only here if A, B, C are there, A, B has been considered. That is called as the partial correlation, whereas the multiple correlation, total correlation, total group ABC is there. We are considering the A, we are considering the B, we consider the C. That is called as the group is there. Total has been considered for the calculation of the correlation. Linear and non-linear equations. The changing ratio, increasing ratio of the one is as same as the other one also. It is called as the linear correlation. If the changes ratio is in the one is different from the entirely different from the another one, then we call it as the non-linear correlation. Logical, what mathematically have been arrived, it can be applied in the practical life also. That is called as the logical correlation. Illogical, here you have been derived, but it cannot be applicable for the practical life. That is called as the illogical correlation. Thank you.